What is a sales funnel? So let me explain that first. There are basically two ways for you to attract new clients to your business. You could have a direct offer, and this is where the majority of insurance brokers are doing. So what they're doing is basically putting out ads or any type of content that has a specific call to action to request a quote, compare. That's what we call a direct offer. But then you can also have another way of attracting clients, which is through a funnel. And a funnel is a sequence of steps that you implement digitally that first attract a lead, and then you nurture that lead, and then you try to sell with a direct offer.